Welcome back to my other part of my solo vlog, that is one day Wuhan trip in Sealand. No, Sealand, SeaWorld. So after all dancing of that joker, then Irish people come, he play a lot with fish, dance with fish, a couple dance, and then this fish come to another people's and kiss them, and it was really amazing fun. And I don't know how, but this fish follow all of his instructions, and I think so it's better than a human beings. Some kind, if you have that kind of pet, like she's pushing him, and it's better than, I think so, human beings. She follow all of his instructions, and I love it. It was really fun, and they dance together and swim, and I love this scene. And then there was a monster who came and fight with that Irish people in Chinese. I didn't understand a single word. And after that, he jumped from that height. I don't know how is that possible. You can look now. He will jump within second, and it's very heighted. How is it possible? Why didn't he hurt himself? He will jump, and here he go. Yes, I was get scared of that. Then a jellyfish, starfish, no jellyfish, I don't know what to say, I forget. Mermaid, yes, mermaid. A mermaid come and she dance like a mermaid with using that pool and every techniques, and it was difficult stunts. I only see this kind of dance in movies and films and dramas, but this was my first time to see it in reality, and it was looking like a dream, a mermaid dream, and I love it. After that, the show was going to be finished, and then all the jokers, the stuntmen, and all the participants come together with their fishes and they dance. Their dance was funny because I think so it's a circus. Yes, it's a circus center. Their dance was funny, but it was really, really amazing. And the other thing I noticed about this circus center is that they all are foreigners. None of them was Chinese. They are from different countries. One, I think so, this with the sponge hairs, he is from India or some kind of this kind of country. Rest of the peoples were British peoples, look like American or British or whatever. But it was fun, amazing. I will recommend people to come to Wuhan and go to SeaWorld, and it will be fun, amazing. Your money is not going to be waste like mine. Here I was capturing them. I forget to capture myself. I was just busy to see them while capturing them. So you cannot see myself in this video. I don't know why the hell I didn't capture myself. How I forget to capture myself. But it was really fun. Amazing place. You will be have enough fun. Your 280 RMB ticket is not going to waste. For me, it didn't waste because I enjoy a lot. And then the most favorite part of this trip was when I went to snow area. And I want to go there again, but now I don't have enough time. And I think so I will not come back to Wuhan or Huangshi, so I will go. Then I will try to find this place again in my city. I will go there because I love to travel, I love to explore, and it was fun. This sea line or seal or whatever say, I don't know how, my dictionary is very poor. They play with balloons and then dance, and here the show is going to end, I think so, this circus show. But it was fun. Then I want to drink a juice. Then I get a orange juice that is my favorite, and it was free of sugar. And here I'm sweating again because it's outside is hot. I get my favorite orange juice without sugar, and then I will go to a castle, I think so. No, it was not castle, it was Sealand, underwater. Everything was underwater, and it was fun. A lot of sea animals and a lot of fishes, mermaids, and everything was inside upside our, and we are inside, and it was fun. And I didn't take a good picture here because none of them was with me. I was alone, so I didn't take any picture here. And because every Chinese was busy, so I cannot ask them, please can you take picture of mine. So I was unlucky, no picture here. That's why I want to go this place again. And here is Chinese drop juice, my juice on myself, because my shirt was white, so I have to be careful. And it was a galaxy kind of thing, galaxy kind of things, and it was fun, like a dream life. It was like look like a dream life. And then here I'm going to a castle. Yes, inside it was beautiful place, but inside there was just few animals, like I don't know the name of that stupid animals, but it's funny. And everyone come here today, open these animals, and everyone come to take pictures with them. I also take picture with this stupid animal. And then everyone gets scared of him because of his mouth, big mouth, tail. I also get scared, but not. As all you know, I'm a heartless girl, so I don't have heart to get scared of anything. So I just walk with them, enjoy, take picture, make video. And this stupid girl ruined my juice. She take a bite of my juice glass, and then I have to throw that. Also from this place there was a lot of smell of animals that I don't like, so I was looking, I have to run from here. And here is my favorite part, snowfall. And I take this coat because they say inside was very cold, you have to get a coat. And here the fee was 20 RMB for this coat. Yes, I paid a 20 RMB. And then inside, boom, imaginary world. It was full of imagine and mirror side. This was mirror side, and I make a video of myself because none of them going to make video for myself. And here Snowland, every single thing was with snow. These homes, chairs, slides, dining area, snowman, everything inside is snow. And I was feeling very cold. Then I say, let's take good pictures first. I tried to put my camera here and try to take pictures. Then I said no, because I was the only foreigner there, and some Chinese are looking like I'm kind of monster or some kind of like animal or what I can say. But they're looking like I'm something weird thing here. So they say, okay girl, hi, how are you? I say, can you please take picture of mine? And they say, okay, why not? So I take few pictures here. And then they say, there is another floor, you can go there and there will be snowfall and you can take good pictures there. And here I'm going this place, have fun, I love it. And I want Kiran, Jose, Irali here, so we can take pictures together. But they was busy because today Jose and Irali is going back to their country finally. And Kiran was also in Wuhan, but not with me. She was with her family. Here I'm going. Snow. So I asked that Chinese stupid girl to take my picture, and she make video. And so here is also not my picture, no picture. And these Chinese people are looking why this foreigner girl is so excited. And I said, you are stupid people, you are also excited. Why you look like me, like this? Look at me. And then, what the hell? Yes, I love it. I really love it. And then there is a restaurant. Where is that stupid restaurant? And I say, I'm feeling cold. My hands are get cold. My ears also get cold. Whenever I feel cold, first thing is going to get cold is my own ears. And then there will be headache. So I sit here, try to take picture here. Yes, I take one picture here. Maybe it will be good. I will upload on my Instagram. If you want to see my pictures, go to my Instagram. That is already mentioned in my description box. And then after that I take taxi and went to train station. When I go to train station and then I figure out there is no train going back to Huangshi, but I have to go back to Huangshi to meet my friends to say last goodbye to them. And they say, sorry ma'am, there is no train for today. Tomorrow there will be train. I say, where the hell I'm going to stay today? So they give me another option, you can take a cab and go back to Huangshi. And I say, okay. Then I went to car area and there I take a cab, and this stupid Chinese man take a lot of money from me. I don't know, I was Chinese foreigners, that's why, or maybe it will be the original price, but he take a lot of money from me. And I say, I'm not rich, but why the hell I act like I'm very 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 rich? So I I waste a lot of money to this trip. I don't know why. I earn less but waste more. So this is me. You can see, this is how careless or my luck is like that. I always waste a lot of money while my traveling trips. My this habit of traveling to somewhere else will gonna give me a poor life, but I don't want. I was waiting them, go quickly, go. My friend's train is at 5 o'clock. I asked them, please go quickly, hurry, and he say, okay, we will be there. And now here I am in Huangshi. I'm saying myself, welcome back to Huangshi. And my friends don't know that I'm on a way. I say I will be 6 o'clock back or 5 o'clock. That time you will be gone. And they say, okay, it's okay. Yesterday we meet, it's fine. Have a good time in Wuhan. And they don't know I'm here. And now I'm going to see them and I will see their reactions. And they say, we are eating at the restaurant where we used to eat. I say, okay. And here they saw me. And why Ali is looking so shy? And they say, hi, hello. And because they were in a hurry, they buy some food while traveling because their train is slow and they have to travel for 48 hours inside train to go back to their country and taking their luggage. And here I'm asking Ali, please don't come back, he say, I will not come back, because last time they booked 3 times tickets and their ticket was cancelled. And here I say, Ali, if you come back now, then I will kick you from here and you will be landed in your country directly to your home. And he start laughing. He say, no, we will make sure that this time we will not come back. And I say, hope so. I was saying him again and again, please don't come back. I say goodbye to you many times here, but this time don't come back. And here they're putting their luggage. And yes, it was hot, a little bit hot, and I want to go back to my room because I was tired of traveling, but I have to say goodbye to my friends. They are my dear friends. And this Shushu is so stupid. He don't know how to put the luggage inside the diggy. He need to learn from me. Their parents didn't give them good manners or like some kind of ethics, how to manage things. They are so useless. And here I'm saying goodbye to Jose, and then it's Irali. He's going to get married at the end of this month, and he say bye bye, inshallah we will not come back. I say inshallah and bye bye to all of you also.